capillary is a large intestine. Okay, so we're in the capillary. So where does the blood go next?
To the venules.
Okay, so from capillaries it's going to go into venules and veins.
Yeah.
Okay, which one?
Inferior mesenteric.
Large intestine, so we're going to go inferior mesenteric to superior mesenteric, hepatic portal vein,
Left to right middle.
to the liver, hepatic veins. Is that what that look like? So the key here is basically right in through here. The hepatic portal system is a network of kind of separate veins that drain the blood from all of our intestines, of our abdominal organs. There's others. I mean, you got the spleen, you got the gastric veins. Those are all part of the hepatic portal system. The purpose of this is because think about the blood coming out from the capillaries. It's all highly rich in nutrients from extracting nutrients from the digestive tract. And we'll get into all that with digestive system. Some waste products, but basically it's all this not really dirty blood, but nutrient-rich blood. And so you want to take all this blood, instead of leaving it in general circulation, you want to start filtering out most of that excess stuff. Excess sugars, you can convert to glycogen here. Excess nutrient or excess minerals or excess ions, you can kind of take out here and transport them to specific areas, or bind them to chaperones so they can be shipped to specific regions or tissues. Okay, and so that's the job of the liver. Once that blood's all cleaned up in a sense, then there's the hepatic veins. So the clean blood goes into hepatic veins. If you take a little sliver cut out of the liver, you see all the little blue speckles? That's these things, hepatic veins. Hepatic veins take the blood, dump it back into general circulation in the inferior vena cava, which then can go through the heart stuff. Heart stuff. And from the heart, and now we're back as we go through to the left ventricle, then we get to the aorta, okay, ascending aorta, aortic arch, descending thoracic, descending abdominal, okay, where are we going?
We're going to the
Quadriceps. Okay, so the descending abdominal aorta to what?
Common iliac.
Okay, common iliac artery.
External iliac.
External iliac artery.
Deep thigh artery.
Femoral artery.
And then deep thigh.
And then at that point, you just go to capillaries. Caps of quads. You could go deep femoral, you can go superficial femoral, it doesn't matter. Or you can just branch off the femoral and say capillaries. Okay, so again, what we're seeing is this nice little pathway. Pretty much every time it's going to passes through the heart at some point. Okay, unless it's right directly connected to each other. But as we look at this, and it'll become a little bit more apparent with the last one, number 28. Couple of things to keep in mind as far as like looking here. Anytime it's an artery, you have to tell me it's an artery. Anytime it's a vein, you have to tell me it's a vein. And you don't have to write out. You can just put A for artery or V for vein. So you got to spell it out. Superior mesenteric vein with a V, or just put a V. Superior mesenteric artery, so put an A. If you just put superior mesenteric, the best you're going to get is half credit. Okay, because there is an artery and a vein, so you need to specify. At the same time, number 28, you need to specify left from right. So you need to tell me, is it a left artery? Which left artery is it? Or which right artery is it? Or which left or right vein?
What if you go down like the common hepatic and you say left external iliac? Do you still have to keep naming the left side if you're side?
If you get to the common iliac and you say...
I'm talking about more for the exam.
Okay.
So for the exam, you need to specify, is it a left vein or is it a right vein? Is it a left artery or a right artery? For this, once you establish what side you're doing, that's close enough. All right,